Reacting acids with carbonates. A summary equation for acids and carbonates. We have an equation that summarizes all the reactions that generally occurs between an acid and a carbonate, which is carbonate plus acid reacts to produce salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. We have three products. So we should always obtain these three products when an acid and a carbonate reacts. So is salt, carbon dioxide, and water. These products are always produced unexceptionally. The salt produced differs according to the carbonate and the acid we have. Carbon dioxide and water are unchanged. For example, we'll take copper carbonate, CuCO2, reacting with hydrochloric acid to produce the salt, which is copper chloride, CuCl2, plus carbon dioxide plus water. As you can see, when a carbonate and an acid reacts, three products should always be present: the salt, the carbon dioxide, and the water.